Hi friends, I have the honor and pleasure of having Dr. Twinkle Dhanuka with me today. She is DNB rank 64 mid-year, and on behalf of DAMS, heartiest congratulations.
Thank you, sir.
So how are you feeling today?
I'm feeling on the top of the world because it was my dream to be here and just feel this feeling and sitting beside you and giving this live interview. I've never been like this.
So you're enjoying your moment of glory today?
Yes, definitely.
So what was your first reaction when you saw your rank? When you logged in into DNB site and you saw your rank, what was your first reaction?
Technically, I did not log into my ID. My friends did, and they were gossiping in front of me. So I was like, just tell me my result now.
So were they acting naughty that nahi hua tera?
Yeah, no, they were laughing. They were like, what you want? Hame treat chahiye. I was like, tell me my result first.
I know. So that I think that's one of the best moments in our life, and it's like kind of a landmark when we get a top 100 rank in a centrally done exam. And to give you an idea on the magnitude of the achievement that you've done, in an exam like this, like 50,000 doctors appear for this, and you are rank 64. How are you feeling now?
Thank you.
Great.
It was great feeling.
Great. So now can you tell me, like the audience here would want to know your journey. So with us, I would share that you were a part of a regular program and then you followed it up with a TND course this year.
Yes, sir.
So how was your journey with DAMS?
Last year I joined DAMS with regular batches. The journey was amazing. They taught us everything, whatever it was needed for exam purposes. The notes were amazing. I used to just study the notes. I have not touched anything else. And even if I want to prepare the MCQs or solve the MCQs, I used to do with CRS because there's the immense quality of that MCQs and all the important topics which used to come. I did not needed the requirement of any other books or something like that. And DAMS notes were sufficient, and the TND which I started this year, all the DNB questions were from TND batches, my TND questions and everything.
So you mean to say that test papers and the discussions were very high yielding for the DNB exam?
It was very high yielding, especially the Gynac paper. It was full from TND paper. I was very surprised to see it, and I was immensely happy also to see that I knew every Gynac question.
So actually what we do is we work very hard and we try to frame questions our own selves also. We think like if I was an examiner, what should I ask? So this is what we try to build up, and that is where the strike rate comes. So you tell me about the experience that you had with, you were telling me in the beginning that you had very little idea about in the beginning that how to go about things and how everything. So can you tell more about your journey to people so that people can get inspired from what you've done?
Being from a non-medico family, I did not know anything about how to prepare, how to go ahead after MBBS. One of my friends, she told she's joining DAMS and it's nice institute. I was like, fine, I'll also join it. I joined in Pune itself. I was from Pune, but I did not do it properly. So I came down to Delhi and then I again joined it here. And
that was probably because of your internship. You could not manage
because my internship was quite hectic and they never used to give us off for classes and everything. So I again joined regular batch here, and they taught us everything. And they used to teach us how to deal with the exams, how to deal with the anxiety, how to go through the exam papers, and how to give multiple exams so that you prepare for your final showdown and everything.
Did you utilize the grand test series as well?
Yeah, I used to give grand test every month end to
religiously? Religiously, yes, very nice.
So
because that's the right way to go about it.
I see whatever is required for me by the end of the month, especially in TND because I knew everything I read once before. So I used to see what are the new topics which is coming up in grand test and everything, and I used to note down. And then I used to see whichever things is required to learn more.
Did you utilize the DAMS Facebook group as well? Were you part
actually, the thing is, by the end of the day, you used to get so tired after classes and everything. You never used to open your books and solve MCQs. I used to open DAMS Club and I used to solve random questions to see whether I know what other people doesn't know.
Yeah.
To see, what is required and what that. So DAMS Club was very helpful to me.
And so you've talked about CRS, test series, classes, club. Any teachers that you want to mention at this point, and anybody that you in particularly remember today?
Every teacher in DAMS is amazing. They teach us very nicely and they have very good quality how to teach. they'll store everything in your mind inside the class itself. You did not have to study much after going. But the best one I liked is Anat sir, because he was the enthusiasm he used to teach in class, and the images, and he used to teach completely with images and everything.
What students tell me is that after attending his anatomy class, they're able to visualize.
Yeah, actually, I never used to study Anat. I used to study just once, just before the exams. The thing with Anat was he used to store everything inside the class itself. You never used to study. I never opened my book also, apart from just once before the exams.
Any other teachers that come to your mind today?
Sachin sir,
Yeah.
definitely psychiatry sir, because I'm very bad in psychiatry. After I attended TND class of psychiatry, I was like, I can study psychiatry now.
Yeah. So I think, the victory that a teacher gets is, what I've seen in the years is, if we are able to inspire somebody to, take up our branch later on, I think that is the biggest thing that we can do, that we try to do.
Definitely,
And
sir.
any other person? Okay, she's feeling a little shy to talk about it right now, but I'm sure, because what happens is the student-teacher relationship is something like, why am I asking you this question is because I feel that when the teachers listen to these videos and all, they also feel very happy that, okay,
Yeah.
that I did a good job. And that is the spirit of teaching in NAMS. We believe that, we should be able to touch lives, and we should be able to do something significant for you. That is what we firmly believe.
Yes.
Now, I also want to utilize this opportunity to ask you a few questions. One is a very academic question, and this is a question that I ask most of the top rankers, is because I feel that you guys have the gut feeling to predict the next thing. So I want you to predict a few topics, not the subjects, few topics which will be important for the upcoming NEET.
Upcoming NEET.
Yes, so that the people listening to you today can have, they may write down, okay, she's saying that, okay, read this topic, like some topics.
I think from surgery part of things, all name surgeries which are coming up nowadays, or laparoscopic surgeries and all laparoscopic instruments nowadays are very important, and I think they'll come definitely in the upcoming NEET. And all in Gynac, all stagings, these are really important. Before every exam, I used to study the staging part because I'm very bad at it. And then pathology, there are few topics which has now become important. All those granules, what they secrete, neutrophils, what they secrete, and everything. I suspect they can come in next exams.
Great. I think, you have helped a lot of students by your prediction. And, because we try to make things, because when I feel is when a topper is talking to students, they want to know micro details, so that's how it goes. So the second thing I want you to do is that, you have had teachers who have mentored you, motivated you. Today is your turn to motivate people. Like, people are listening to you today, and they are listening to a top 100 ranker. They want to be in your position next year. What do you want to say to them? Anything that would motivate them?
I would definitely tell you, just read DAMS notes. It has everything, whatever is required for your exams. Just keep revising it. I used to revise just month before or 1.5 months all my subjects or all important topics which was required, so that I don't leave it before exams, or I don't have that regret wala feeling कि I have not studied those topics. Try revising and try solving at least 200 questions a day, whether it's from club or whether it's from any book. I would suggest from CRS because it has a good quality of questions. And just read DAMS notes. It's more than enough.
So what I gain from you is your idea has been, being more selective.
Yeah.
You have, you developed a faith in a system. You put your faith into a system, and then you said, okay, this is what I'm going to do. And then you did it again and again.
Yeah.
This was your mantra to success. And I would now ask you if you want to use this media to thank some of your family members or anybody listening to you through Facebook Live.
I would thank all DAMS faculty for everything.
And your family
and
members.
my family members and my friends, because they have supported me for everything. Because this journey was new for me and my family members too. They supported all my anxiety, all my stress level and everything. They were beside me for every time whenever I needed them. And they always supported me, and thank you so much.
And thank you so much and for your time today. And I'm sure many people listening to you would have gained a lot of information as well as motivation from your interview. On behalf of the DAMS family, I wish you all the best. I'm sure the country would have a great doctor with you in future as well. I'm sure we'll hear more about her from newspapers everywhere. But she does great work in future.
Thank
I'm
you
sure.
so much, sir.
God bless you. We wish you all the best.
Thank you, sir.